I make over $10,000 a month from my YouTube channels, but not in the way that you'd think. Some of them aren't even monetized, and even if they were, the niches that they're in don't pay very well. So I had to find alternative ways of making money with my videos on YouTube, and after trying countless methods, I've narrowed it down to these three. The first one being memberships, but not YouTube channel memberships. I'm talking about a service like Patreon where you can set up different tiers and have your audience support you directly. And now, depending on your niche, you can get really creative here. On one of our channels, we have created 3 different membership tiers. One for $5 a month, and we offer them a peace of mind for watching our content with an ad blocker. The second for $10 a month, where they get to download the custom assets that we use in our videos. And the third for $20 a month, where they get to join a private Discord server with other members, as well as join our private Minecraft server. But this is just what we do. Feel free to use it as a base and expand upon it however you see fit. The next method, and one of my favorite ones, is creating and selling merchandise through a print-on-demand service. Many creators often brand the merch around themselves, and whilst this adds a unique flair to it, for smaller channels, it's not really feasible, as not really at a size where it's quote-unquote cool to rep you just yet. Instead, you should build a brand outside of you and your channel, something not related to you at all. Doing this allows for more creative freedom with the designs and gives you the possibility of increasing revenue by advertising in more places than just a description of your YouTube videos. Last but not least, we have affiliate marketing. Essentially what this is where you drive traffic to an external source and get a little kickback if someone purchases something. Many companies offer an affiliate service, and the easy way to find out if the ones you use offer one is to go to Google, search the company name, for example Amazon, followed by affiliate program. And not only will you find links to the program, but you'll also find discussions on various websites about the program, helping you decide if it's for you or not. Well, there you have it, 3 of the easiest ways to make money on YouTube without AdSense. But there are countless other methods, and if you want to see a second video where I go over alternatives to these, let me know in the comments. And if you're not sure where to start when it comes to making YouTube videos, check out the video on screen now.